Hi everyone, welcome to Function Pilates. I'm Vanessa Kelly, master trainer and studio owner of Function Pilates located in Tempe, Arizona. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a default series of beginner exercises for your lateral flexion and rotation category. I'm working on a balanced body piece of equipment, and the spring series I've chosen is one red spring, which should equal one spring if you're working on a different model. I understand as a student this can be overwhelming and challenging as you're piecing together exercises for your clients. These videos and tutorials are intended to help and assist you throughout the process. So if you do like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I hope to have you along the journey. Mermaid is enjoyed by most and a great go-to for the beginner client who is still getting acquainted with Pilates. As long as the client has healthy knees, set them up in the zigzag leg position, seated on the carriage. Other options would be to crisscross the legs, let the legs hang down in front of the wooden frame, or have them sit on a box. Mermaid's intention is to work the obliques, so emphasize to create this heaviness with the torso on the up or the lift upon returning to the starting position. They should feel heat in the midsection. If your client is a candidate for rotation, then add extension. Hands should be on each corner of the footbar. Inhale to float the upper body up and drag the carriage to the stopper. Exhale to push away. Keep drawing the abs up and in. Carefully readjust the hand in the center of the bar before returning to the top and taking a counter stretch. As they rotate into the stretch, allow them to imagine wringing themselves out like a towel. Anywhere from 3 to 5 repetitions for each side is good overall. As they begin to repeat the same steps for the next side, cue them to shine their ribs to the ceiling as they stretch out the lateral part of the torso. Exhale to press away and inhale to sit up. Reach the bicep over the head as the shoulder blades help to keep the shoulders down and stabilized. Observe your client is squared to the floor. And talk them through how to drop one shoulder and lift the opposite one to maximize the effort if they are not completely squared to the floor. And that concludes the beginner lateral flexion rotation exercises. Follow me into the back extension category next.